Hello everyone, so in this case we would like to share the work that I finished in another Hyundai Sonata 1516 model, and this car come from Sydney, just about 60 kilometers from our workshop. And the car come with the very standard fault from the system, which the factory head unit screen was completely blank, no sound, no reverse camera, no steering wheel control, nothing is working. And at this moment it's fully set up with the 7-inch wireless Apple CarPlay and USB Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto and USB Android Auto, and it is fully set up with steering wheel controls over here. So all the steering wheel control button works very well, all of them. I mean all of those 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 of them, 8 of function connect nicely into the new system. And the new system also connect to factory reverse camera, which you can easily see from here, and that is the factory camera. You can see that says slightly delay before the camera shows up, because the factory camera is so much slower than the head unit, and the new digital head unit just stay up and waiting for the camera signal to turn on. But it is definitely the one. And Hyundai Sonata 1516 already rescued, fully fit, beautiful, ready to be picked up by the owner. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on next one.